Compounds of the alkali metals. Compound is a group of elements together, so I will teach you the compounds of the alkali metals. All group 1 metal ions are colorless. In this group, all the metal ions are colorless. Their compounds will be colorless or white unless they are combined with colored negative ions. Also, the compounds of these ions will be colorless because they are already colorless, but they can have a color only with one case. If this positive ion reacts with negative ion with another colored element. So these compounds originally are colorless or maybe white, but only with one case they can be colored if another colored negative ion reacts with them. An example about that is potassium dichromate is orange because the dichromate ion is orange. Okay, potassium dichromate is about potassium and dichromate, right? Potassium is from group 1, so it is colorless. Thus, its compound will be colorless. But when we add to it the dichromate that is colored orange, the color of the solution will totally change to become orange color, which is related to the color of dichromate. Group 1 compounds are typical ionic solids and are mostly soluble in water. The compounds in group 1 are ionic solids and most of them dissolve in water. So now we have learned some about the compounds of alkaline metals. Metal ions are colorless and their compounds must be colorless or white, but they can be colored in one case only if an ion, another colored negative ion, reacts with them, like the potassium dichromate. The color of dichromate is orange, so it changes all the potassium dichromate solution to orange color.